In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson EcoTank ET-15000 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson EcoTank ET-15000 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson ET-15000. Go ahead and open up that link. And now you want to just scroll down and select your operating system from the list here and select go. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the driver and utilities combo package installer. Go ahead and download that. And then open up that file once it's done. It should be a verified publisher, Epson. Go ahead and select yes. And just give that a moment to begin installing here. And then at this point, you'd be able to make additional options, whether you want to change or adjust your connection type, whether it's going to be a wired or wireless based printer, for example. So this is a pretty straightforward process going forward, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.